Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. So let's get started. The first thing I have in my bowl is 1 stick of unsalted butter. I also have 1/3 cup of white sugar and then 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I'm going to take my hand mixer and blend these all up so they're nice and creamy. Here we go. I have 1 whole egg that I'm going to go ahead and add to my bowl, as well as a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now it's time for our dry ingredients. I have 2.2 ounces of macadamia nuts here, and these have been lightly toasted. I also have 6 ounces of white chocolate chips. And then I have 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, plus I have a teaspoon of baking soda, and then I have a teaspoon of salt. My cookies are all panned up. I've got 12 of them spaced out evenly on my tray. I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And then I've got my oven already preheating to 350 degrees, and I'll pop them in the oven as soon as they come out. See you in a minute. My cookies are out of the oven. They baked for 12 minutes at 350 degrees, and they look amazing. I'm so excited to try one. See, they're still a little warm. These are absolutely delicious. They're so soft and chewy. I can't wait for you to try them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.